Baba, a name has been associated with the film industry in the last 5 decades. Initially, the firm was entrusted with designing and making of furniture for the Nizam of Hyderabad. With the advent of cinema theatres, they diversified into designing and making chairs for cinema theatres, auditoriums, conference halls, and institutions. Their seats are elegant in looks and are designed for comfort of the audience. Chairs can be customized as per customer requirements. The seats come in various options from push-back, back push, to save space, fixed-type chairs, couple chairs, chairs with writing pads. Baba chairs are a symbol of class and are most sought after by customers. For further details, contact as shown.